I was drowning in the inbox, choking on the fumes of a dream I built that was my own tomb. The passion was a ghost, the future was a wall. I was waiting for the other shoe, the final fall.
Then a single link in a scroll of despair, a free ticket offered, a chance to repair. They called her the queen of AI, a lifeline in the noise. It was the quiet saving click that gave me back my voice.
And the queen
of AI saved my life
with a free
ticket to the light. AI Business Summit,
my 2020 star.
she reboomed my confidence, ring with my heart.
From ashes to our grave, from broken to brave, with the wisdom she gave my soul, she saved. She taught the bomb to build what I could barely see, turn my stuck in traffic mind to clarity. Not just a tool, a partner, a second brain to trust, to resurrect ambition from the dust.
So I cleared the days, January 14th through 16, the most important free call my life has ever seen. And the queen of AI saved my life
With a free ticket to the light, AI Business Summit, my 2020 star. She reboomed my confidence, renewed my heart. This is more than a thank you, it's a testament
to the moment luck meets a willing intellect.
If you're in the void where the hope feels thin, let a royalty of knowledge pull